take my Orbital sander with the vacuum bag, and I'm going to attach this to the vacuum cleaner. The problem is my little shop vac here hose does not attach to the outlet. So we're going to take a 1.5 inch PVC pipe, cut it down, and make ourselves an adapter. So I'm going to cut about 6 inches off of the PVC pipe. So we got our PVC pipe, okay, and the 1/2 inch hole will fit perfectly into the shop vac hose, airtight by the way. So now we need to take this end and somehow make it fit to this end, okay. You need a blowtorch. Heat up the PVC pipe. Does not take that long, probably 10 seconds, but heat it up inside. Take it. There you go. It's nice and tight. Okay, airtight because now it's molded to the thing. And then you can now take your other end, shove it in. That's how you make a quick and easy adapter for your Orbital sander to your shop vac. Thanks for watching.